So, why is no one talking about ChatGPT or OpenAI going public? Today we're covering the latest AI news, which is that soon you may be able to buy shares in ChatGPT and make some money. So, when could this happen? When could the IPO happen? How much is OpenAI worth? And how can you get in on the action? Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, we are AI marketing and creator tools, and we're trying something new today, which is our first live stream. So make sure to subscribe and like the video to let us know that you want more AI news updates in the future. So let's get into it. Recently, OpenAI, which is the parent company for ChatGPT, made some headlines when it was reported that employees were looking to sell shares at an $86 billion valuation. Do you think it's worth it? I don't know. This would make OpenAI more valuable than SpaceX, Stripe, which is the online payment processing site, and TikTok's parent company, ByteDance. We'll cover how much OpenAI makes compared to these tech giants in just a bit. Now, if you remember back in April, Microsoft invested $13 billion into OpenAI at a valuation of $29 billion, and this investment reportedly let employees sell their shares for $300 million in cash. So our question was if OpenAI is really worth that much. Now, this might surprise you, but it actually costs OpenAI $700,000 every single day to run ChatGPT, which is a big reason why OpenAI lost over $500 million in 2022. That's because when you ask ChatGPT a question, the servers that create the answers use tons of computing power and have resulting high energy costs. And before the massive investment from Microsoft, some people were saying that OpenAI could go bankrupt. So that begs the question, how much does OpenAI actually profit? Well, since the launch of ChatGPT Plus in February of this year, OpenAI has acquired 180 million monthly users, and with a 1% conversion rate for the premium service, this would make 180 to 200,000 paying users. And at $20 per month per user, this would come out to nearly $4 million a month, which might not seem like a lot for a tech giant, but listen to this, because on top of that, AI applications that use ChatGPT as part of their platform have to pay a premium service fee, and some companies pay hundreds of thousands a month. So when you combine the revenue from ChatGPT Plus subscribers and companies that pay to use ChatGPT, it's been reported by Forbes that OpenAI is making about $80 million a month, or nearly $1 billion a year, which is only a fraction of the money that SpaceX, TikTok, and Stripe bring in, even though OpenAI is valued higher. So what exactly does this share sale mean for ChatGPT? Well, employees who are part of the startup can cash out now, and it's been reported that there will likely be sales of up to $1 billion for current employees. So essentially, early employees get another big payday, and new investors will get part ownership in one of the biggest names in tech. This share sale also means that ChatGPT will likely need to either find a way to increase its numbers of monthly users or eventually raise its prices so investors can make their money back. But for now, no one really knows how things will play out. So one question still remains, will the average person be able to buy shares of ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT has not announced plans to go public yet, so this investment round will only be open to accredited investors and huge investment firms. So I wouldn't expect to see shares of ChatGPT trading on the NASDAQ anytime soon. And even if they did, ChatGPT shares would likely be overvalued because their valuation is way ahead of OpenAI's revenue right now. But that's all we know for now, and next week we're covering the important highlights from the latest ChatGPT announcement and how it could impact the AI industry as we know it. So subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below if you have any questions or leave them in the chat and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next week's AI news highlights that marketers and content creators need to know. Bye.